To use Binance in New York, you first need to understand the regulatory environment. Due to New York's strict cryptocurrency regulations, Binance does not directly offer its services to New York residents. However, there are alternative solutions for those looking to trade cryptocurrencies in the state. First, you need to create an account on a platform that is available in New York, such as Binance US. Binance US is a separate entity from the main Binance platform and is designed to comply with US regulations. To sign up, go to the Binance US website and click on Register. Then follow the prompts to create your account. Next, you will need to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure to comply with anti-money laundering and know your customer regulations. You will need to provide identification documents such as a driver's license or passport, as well as proof of address. After verification, you can deposit funds into your account. Binance US accepts various payment methods, including bank transfers and credit cards. Make sure to check the fees associated with each payment method before depositing. Once your account is funded, you can start trading. Binance US offers a variety of cryptocurrencies, including popular options like Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can place orders using the trading platform, which offers features like limit orders and stop-loss orders. It is essential to keep in mind that trading cryptocurrencies carries risks, and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. It is also crucial to stay informed about market trends and regulatory changes that may affect your investments. In addition to trading, Binance US also offers other features like staking and savings accounts. These features allow you to earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings, providing a way to generate passive income. To stay safe while using Binance US, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and use a strong password. It is also a good idea to keep your computer and mobile devices up to date with the latest security patches. By following these steps, you can start using Binance US in New York and take advantage of the platform's features. Remember to always prioritize security and risk management when trading cryptocurrencies.